Hello and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing the latest innovation in the world of search engines. With the rise of AI, search engines are no longer limited to just providing you with links to relevant websites. Now, they're also offering educational conversations with artificial intelligence. Today, we'll be discussing one such AI-powered search engine feature, DuckAssist from DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is taking a slightly different approach to AI-powered search engines with DuckAssist. The feature is designed to offer users clear, concise answers to their queries, rather than deeper learning through human-like conversations. DuckAssist is powered by natural language technology from OpenAI and Anthropic, and it works by pulling its data from Wikipedia and Britannica occasionally. If the AI can find the answer to your question in a series of cited articles on this free encyclopedia, it saves you the trip to Wikipedia yourself, as well as boring through articles that source the same Wikipedia articles DuckAssist found. DuckAssist appears with a blue Ask button whenever you perform a search that could reasonably be answered by Wikipedia. When you choose it, the AI will try to give you a clear answer to your query. It's important to note that DuckAssist is designed to provide the best results for straightforward, fact-based questions, rather than subjective questions that the AI would need to formulate an argument for. Limitations. Since DuckAssist is currently designed to pull its data from a downloaded database of Wikipedia articles, it's important to keep in mind that it may not provide answers to questions that require more recent information than early February 2023. Furthermore, it's worth noting that DuckAssist won't be able to provide the same level of detail and insight as a human expert in a given field. However, for simple questions that require quick and easy answers, DuckAssist can be a valuable resource. Availability. One of the best things about DuckAssist is that it's available to everyone right now. Unlike Microsoft's Bing AI chatbot, which is currently behind a wait list, and Google's Bard, which is available to a limited pool of software testers, DuckAssist is readily available. The DuckAssist beta is available on the iOS, Android, and Mac versions of the DuckDuckGo app, as well as the DuckDuckGo extensions for Firefox, Chrome, and Safari. While it isn't available for standard DuckDuckGo search yet, there are still plenty of ways to try it out today. Conclusion. In conclusion, DuckAssist is a promising new feature that could make searching for information online more efficient and convenient. While it may not be able to provide the same level of detail and insight as a human expert, it's perfect for simple questions that require quick and easy answers. With its availability on a variety of platforms and devices, DuckAssist is definitely worth trying out if you're looking for an AI-powered search engine feature that's easy to use and accessible to everyone.